Hello my dear students, I am CA Saili Limay and today I am announcing the date of CA Foundation batch for May or November 2021 exam. So our batch is starting from 1st of December 2020 and it will be on online mode. So students of any city can attend our batch. First 5 days will be demo lectures, so you can attend those lectures for free. Also, there are YouTube videos on our YouTube channel of all the faculties, so you can also watch them. There will be conceptual clarity of all the subjects in our batch. Then we will take cumulative revisions. Then there will be topic wise test after completion of each topic. Then after the batch there will be portion wise as well as full syllabus test series. And all these test series will be free for our students. Okay. So I am going to teach you account subject for CA Foundation. Then for law there is Ashwini Gujar ma'am. So for law as well as English. Then for math there is Sanjay Thatte sir, and for economics Professor Rajeshwari Dhotre ma'am is there. So we will meet on 1st December and fill up the form given in description box to get the details of the timing of the lecture, then link of the lecture, and there is a special offer for those students who are in 12th standard right now. So thank you very much for watching this video and share this video with all your friends who are going to appear for CA Foundation exam in next year. Thank you.